Hello, my friends. Of course, as soon as I hit the record button, an airplane flies overhead. Anyways, hello. I know I posted a video a few days ago talking about losing my Facebook page. Just for anyone that watched, I got it back. Yay! If you're curious how I got it back, check out my Instagram. I told the whole story there, gave some advice if anybody else loses their page. But today I'm here to make a very important, exciting announcement, and that is that I am doing Dollface Vintage 2. Part 2 is coming. I'm so excited. Pre-sales opened today. We are expecting them to ship in early December, so they should be on time for Christmas. So if you are looking for something fun to ask for Christmas or something fun to gift for Christmas, please consider gifting or asking for Dollface Vintage 2. The second version is going to be very similar to the first version, but just a little bit more oomph. So the hair, makeup, and style sections are also still going to be there, but now we're doing, now I am doing a section on how to be a pinup model, and also an entire section on skincare, which is exciting for me because, as you all know, in the last couple of years I have opened my own skincare studio, so skin is very important to me and I am very excited. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys a couple pages from my first one just so you can kind of get an idea of what this book is going to be about. It's lots of instructional. The layout of the new one is a little different, a little more pizzazz. I'm doing pro spotlights on my friends that are kind of in the vintage world and lots of full color pictures. This is a fun book if you want ideas for vintage hair, makeup, clothing, if you just want something fun to look through, if you want a cute coffee table book, something cute to put on your bookshelf. Like I said, the new one is going to be a little bit different than this. It's a little bit darker. I also do more eras in the new one. So in this one, it was more sort of like 50s pinup, but in the new one, I do 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. I don't think there's any 80s in there. I also do a little bit of like dark pinup, some more gothy stuff, some more art deco-y stuff. So I think there's a little something for everyone. So if you would like to pre-order your copy, the link is in the description below, but it is at workingclasspublishing.com. If you just want to go to their website, you can also get my other book. The most exciting part of our pre-sales is that if you order a copy of Dollface Vintage 2 in the pre-sale, you get a digital copy of my original Dollface Vintage for free. We actually sold out of the original, so you cannot buy this anymore in a physical copy, but you get the digital copy free if you order the second copy. So then you get like the whole shebang of all of my vintage knowledge that is in this wild, wacky brain of mine. So that is all I have for you guys today. I am working on putting up some more YouTube videos. I promise. I know I've said forever that they're coming, but they really are. And I'm excited to share some new stuff with you, maybe some new style stuff. Thank you for everyone that has stuck it out with me on like Instagram or Facebook, those other networks. And I hope everybody is doing well, and I'm excited for the holidays. All right, see you guys next time.